Hi everyone, if you're new to my channel, a warm welcome to you. I am Sahiba Wadwa, a dentist turned interior stylist who now shares her knowledge and experience around interior styling with you through this channel. Ikea, as you know, is the most famous home furnishing brands in the world with over 400 stores running successfully till date. And now that it has come to my Mahan Bharat Desh, I cannot contain my happiness. Yellow, that's my favorite color of the season. This is $8.99. Can you believe that? A gorgeous yellow lamp for $8.99. There. So I'm finally here at the Ikea restaurant. I will give you a small tip. If you're planning to cover the entire store in one day, just grab a bite, take a banana and come, or else you'll land up to this section pretty soon. I'm really famished right now and I'm going to just grab whatever I get first. But then I think I'm not very lucky because you see a big line here of people who are equally hungry as me and they're just ready to get their food first. So we have visited the entire space and I have just kept my bags in my boot. But I think Ikea is going to see me back super soon. There are a lot of clients who had been waiting for the store opening and I think I'm going to have to come back with each of them one by one. Overall, I think Ikea has really understood the Indian customer and their needs, and they have a lot of options ranging from budget ones to decently priced ones. I can say I'm really happy with my experience here at the Ikea India store and I'm looking for more. If you're in Hyderabad or are planning to visit our city, you should definitely check out Ikea. You may follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The page's name is Brintext/Decor Anthem.